For today's activity, we were tasked to perform a weighing checklist on a true scale Cessna 172. To begin, we were tasked to bring the following tools: leveling tool, tire gauge, yarn, and a tape measure.
To start, we first attempted to inflate the tires to operating pressures. This is to measure the tire pressure of the wheels. However, the wheels of the Cessna 172 were unfortunately deflated, so this part of the inspection couldn't be measured to its required PSI, which is 16 PSI for the nose wheel and 23 PSI for the main landing gear. This task was checked at 11:38 a.m. Next, to ensure that the aircraft can be weighed properly, we moved and locked the seats to their most forward positions. This is so they will not move during weighing. This task was checked at 11:45 a.m. We then were tasked to raise the flaps to fully retracted positions. However, these flaps were not properly secured and the task could not be performed properly. This task was checked at 11:56 a.m. We placed all control surfaces in their neutral positions. Unsure, we assumed that these control surfaces were inside the cockpit. This task was checked at 12:03 p.m. From this point, we have completed the essentials in the preparation section of the checklist. Unfortunately, we were not able to perform the leveling and weighing sections of the checklist as we were scheduled to do it at a later time. For now, we proceeded with the last section, which is measuring. Firstly, we were tasked to get measurement A by measuring by the center line of the aircraft, which runs from the nose to the empennage. We get the measurement from the main wheel centers to the plumb bomb dropped from the firewall. In simpler terms, the firewall is inside the nose, and the plumb bomb is a piece of rock tied to yarn that is left hanging to align measurements. As a result, we got a measurement of 62 inches. This task was checked at 12:13 p.m. Next, we obtained measurement B by measuring parallel and horizontally from the airplane center. We got the measurement by starting from the left wheel to the center wheel. We also did this for the right side of the aircraft. Overall, both sides were measured 64 inches on average.